What's up everybody, if you that don't know me, my name is Chris, aka Mr. Grow It, and you're watching my extras channel. Here I have the Spider Farmer SF1000 LED grow light. In this video I'm going to unbox the unit and also test the power output. If you want to know about the specific features of this grow light or specifications, I will provide a link to it in the description section below. After I open the box and pull out the contents, first up is a Spider Farmer VIP card. They've included some plant tags, a thank you card. I have a pretty nice user manual here. And now my cat Stella is going to join us. She's excited to see what else is in the package. After moving the top, you can see the LED grow light, which does have the driver and power cord attached. They've included wire hangers and 2 ratchet hangers in this bag. And then lastly, they've also included measuring tape. For the par test, I'm going to use the Apogee MQ500 par meter. This meter measures from 389 nanometers to 692 nanometers, plus or minus 5 nanometers. So if there's any light being emitted from this grow light that's outside of this range, it won't show on this par meter. Measurements are shown in PPFD, and this is just going to give you a general idea of what the power output is. It's not meant to be 100% accurate. I am taking measurements in a grow tent, which does have reflective walls. That could increase these par numbers, so just keep that in mind. This LED grow light has a flowering coverage area of 2 foot by 2 foot. And I'm going to take measurements in a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent, so I'll keep the light to the side of the tent and keep the meter within a 2 foot by 2 foot space. I'm going to take measurements at 3 different distances: 12 inches away, 18 inches away, and 24 inches away. Now let's take a look at the measurements. What do you think of these measurements? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, I have provided a link to this grow light in the description section below. And I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.